Panipat is one of the important industrial clusters in Haryana, as this is the hub for carpets, bed sheets, bedrolls, which are exported from Panipat to several parts of the globe. And looking at the industrial hub, this place holds significance in the Haryana economy. And if we talk about the issues of Panipat, last time it was BJP's Pramod Kumar who won from the Panipat city seat, whereas Congress has this time fielded Varinder Shah against Mr. Pramod Kumar Vij. And if we talk about Panipat rural seat, the BJP's Manoj Dhanda had won last time by a margin of over 30,000 votes from Panipat rural, and this time Congress has fielded Sachin Kundu against him. So the fight over here is very interesting, as both the parties are trying to wrest the seat, whereas the BJP is trying to win this seat once again as it aims to form the government in the state for the third consecutive term. And if we look at the competition over here in Haryana, especially from this seat of Panipat, in Panipat there are 4 assembly seats. Beside Panipat city and Panipat rural, there is Samalkha and Isarna scheduled caste reserve seat. So on 2 seats last time Congress had won, whereas it lost on the 2 seats. The Congress is also aiming to win wrest power from the BJP because it was out of power in the state for the last 10 years, whereas the BJP is eyeing to make a comeback in the state for the 3rd consecutive term. And even as the people over here, they are very enthusiastic, and they are saying that they didn't want to come on the camera as polling is just a day tomorrow in the morning. So they avoided the camera, but they said that the issue of development is one of the main issues over here in Panipat, where they want to vote for the development. And even the issues of farmers, as most of the farmers from here had participated in the farmers' protest against the 3 farm laws. So they have said that they have not forgotten the kind of treatment that the government had done with them. So definitely there is bit of anger amongst the farmers, but given the fact that this is a urban seat, so there will be switch in voters this time. Back to you, Megha.
Okay, all right.